you ready to go? Because we're on the way. Alright, bye. Oh. If you eat Big Macs, you get money. We'll be there in less than 2 minutes. Oh, Chop, call me back. Quit asking me these questions. Okay. Chop, it's me again. You told me to call you at 3 o'clock, and now you're not answering. What is going on, Po-Chop? You need to answer my call when I call you. You told me to call you at 3. I'm calling you at 3, and you're not answering. So, call Jesse, it's me. I just need to talk to you about, you said y'all were going camping, so just, call me back. Oh. We're winning this. Razorback time. I don't love using this Razorback. Oh yeah, Po-Chop, it's me. Call me back when you have a chance. Bye. Jesse, answer my call. Please, we need to talk. Sir, this is very important. I need you to call me. Please, Jesse, please, now. Like now, please. Sir, I need you to call me. It's very important. Sir, this is very important. I need you to call me now. Rudy, baby. Please answer, Jesse. Rudy, baby. Rudy, baby. Rudy, baby. Oh, there's one more thing. Rudy, baby. Rudy, baby. Rudy, baby. Rudy, baby. Rudy, baby. Rudy, baby. Hey, Jesse, I forgot to tell you something. Rudy, baby. 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 Oh, that controller don't work. Hold on. Oh, hey, Jesse. Didn't see you there. Look, I wanted to call you, because I know you're busy, but long story short, let's say I'm sorry, and hope happy Easter. Bye. I need you to answer. I need you. Come on, sir. After you get dressed, then can you come over? What time, sir? Sir, just please come over, please. Sir, we can film and we can play the Wii. Film. Sir, come over. Sir, just please answer this call. Sir, please, I need you. Sir, I can't. It's very important. Po-Chop, I need you to answer, man. I have really something very important to tell you. Po-Chop. Are we going to film yet, sir? 7 minutes. Bye. Po-Chop. Po-Chop. Come on, Jesse. Answer. Bye. A new event. This is serious, man. We need to get that done, man. I mean, that's our first customer that we have to go to. We can't do the other one on Creekside because they already finished it. They already texted me and contacted me, said that somebody else did their driveway. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go get this driveway. If we have time, we might do another one. All right. Well, you gotta call me, Jesse. I need to know this. Jesse, it's me. I was just wanting to know if you wanted to still go ahead and shovel that driveway today. It needs to get done, so we have to do it around 2:30. That's when my dad gets home. But if you don't want to do it, I guess I'll just go up there myself. Alright, bye. Why aren't you answering me? Come on, man, call me. Jesse, it's me. Alright, I'll go camping. Alright, just what time are we leaving? What do you mean, Jesse? Jesse! Answer my call. Oh, Chop! It's me. Hey, Jesse, it's me. Just, call me back. Alright, bye. Hey, Jesse! What are you doing, Po-Chop? Hey, how you doing? Woohoo! Yee-hee-hee-hoo! I like cheesecake! Cheesecake! Oh! Okay, I need some cheesecake. Jesse, call me back. I gotta go get my cheesecake. Okay, be ready with the cheesecake. Bye, Jesse. I can't make the video tomorrow, Jesse. Wait, yeah, I can. But, can we do it, like, later? Like, can we do it at 12:30? Po-Chop! It's me again. You're not answering. Come on, Jesse. What are you doing? Hello? Jesse? Jesse! Come on, Jesse. Right here. Right here, Jesse. Right here. Right here, Jesse! Jesse! Come on now, buddy. It's time to eat. Jesse! Jess! Office! Po-Chop! Screw off, Jake! Jesse, are you going to Jake Shindig? Need to know before, we come down there and get you. Talk to you